Every trader is thinking either to sell Ethereum when in profit or hold for some more gains. As from last 6 days, Ethereum is performing like a roller coaster. But in this video, I will elaborate about Ethereum 2.0 and also we will do some technical analysis of Ethereum so you can judge it much better that what to do with Ethereum at the moment. Secondly, we are going to check the market, that what is happening in the market, and especially for the Ethereum, either to sell it or hold it for long term. And also, as I told you, that we are going to do an analysis, and at the end of the video I will do my own price prediction about Ethereum. And two major news of the crypto market which I am going to share with you, that is related to the BTC dump and about the Middle East, because they are going to open their doors for the digital currencies. So stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
The entire market is growing rapidly, especially Ethereum, Cardano and XRP. As in my last videos, I shared my own view that this time ADA, the Cardano and XRP rule the bull market, and it's happening right now. In last 24 hours, AVE token grow 15%, and that is a huge thing for AVE token holders. And also you can check out the 1 hour, basically the quant perform really well in last 1 hour. And right now the price of 1 Ethereum is $588. So what is going to happen? And first of all, we are going to talk about the Ethereum 2.0, that what is Ethereum 2.0 all about. Ethereum 2 is an upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain. The upgrade aims to enhance the speed, efficiency and scalability of the Ethereum network so that it can process more transactions and ease bottlenecks. From last 15 minutes, people are buying Ethereum so much. Here you can see on the indicators from last 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes, people are buying the Ethereum token right now. So tomorrow on 1st December, the first phase of the Ethereum 2.0 network will go live. And the initial evolution of the 2.0 network will launch the beacon chain and enable the proof of stake consensus mechanism. And secondly, Ethereum 2 refers to a set of interconnected upgrades that will make Ethereum more scalable, more secure and more sustainable. These upgrades are being built by the multiple teams from across the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem. So right now about the price prediction of Ethereum. I think that Ethereum will reach up to 4,000 in maximum next 50 days. So what you think about the price of Ethereum in next 50 days? Kindly write down below in the comment section. Now moving on to the news of the crypto. Bitcoin might see a spike in a volatility when the new weekly and monthly candles open, especially after a large short-term correction. The price of BTC faces two crucial events on December 1, right after the weekly and monthly candles close. The upcoming weekly candle close is particularly noteworthy because it could mark the first and weekly candle since late September. Here you can see the entire chart of the BTC, and as per my own prediction about the BTC, definitely it will go down, but not as much down. It will maximum go down up to 15,500 or 15,700 in next hardly 15 to 20 days. And also you can check out the candles because the candles are closing over here. And as the article is showing and saying that the monthly candle will be significant since it would mark the highest close in Bitcoin's history if the price remains over $13,791. So what you think about the BTC price? Kindly do comment in the comment section. So our last news is related from the Middle East market. Now the Middle East market is opening the doors for the cryptocurrency. The central banks of the Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates UAE have concluded a digital currency CBDC pilot, finding the distributed ledger technology can improve the cross-border transactions and meet the demands of the financial privacy in a purely digital context. So it's a great news for BTC Health. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. Soon I am going to hold a huge giveaway on this channel, all for the users. So stay tuned with us. Thanks a lot.